You can see that price has been bouncing around here from basically like 950 up to 1,000. So it's just been going back and forth and back and forth in somewhat of a range. I'm seeing that price could easily break 1,000 in this supply zone that we have right here, just because it's broken 1,000, which is this nice little red line, a few times. And I believe that that psychological number of $1,000 has been broken, and so I'm looking for price to continue to the upside here this coming week, as that area has really been broken psychologically. Um, but we just need price to confirm it, and I would like to see price maybe range around here just a little bit more, and then again break the highs into new territory, as this whole area has been hit several times. Moving down to the hourly time frame, you can see that again, this is the daily zone down here, and this is the daily zone up here, and kind of right here in the middle, right around this gap area, we see price bouncing off of the we'll call it 980 area, and so I'm again looking for price probably to move down slightly first, and find a nice support area, and then continue to the upside. So I'm looking for something like that to happen, and overall I would like to see maybe a little bit of range around here, but then uh, we break the high in this coming week or possibly next week as well. Looking at Walmart here on the daily time frame, you can see that it's been into new highs up here at 80. We got a real big gap back down into demand, and kind of been ranging right around in there. So what I would like to see happen is really from these big daily zones here. I like this daily zone as well, but I don't know that it's going to get all the way back up there. So if it does get back up there, then I think the opposite may be true, where it does this up motion into the highs at 80. But if it doesn't get up there, then I could see us easily breaking through this demand, and that's really what I see happening here, just because this demand has been hit a couple times, and I could easily see us breaking down below this point here. So maybe price will get a little bit higher, but overall I'm thinking to the downside. However, if it breaks this price here at 76.88, then I could see us moving to the upside as such, and it'll probably take a little while. But for this coming week, I'm more so looking to the downside than the up. Just as we've had this big gap, and it seems like we're putting in all kinds of supply and resistance up here, and I'm just seeing a lot of potential to the downside. On the 60-minute time frame, you can see that price has been forming a lot more resistance than it has been demand, but we've had two nice bounces down here in this overall daily demand zone. However, overall, for the past few months here, Walmart has been in a nice little uptrend, so that is definitely possible. However, we're just seeing a lot more resistance, and you can kind of see how the 60-minute levels, these smaller zones here, are overlapping the bigger supply levels, okay, and there's forming a lot more supply than there is demand. Where demand has held, I feel like we could still see price pushing back down here to do one last retest, and for this week I could easily see price coming down here to retest the 73.79 area down to 73.12, but overall, we are in an uptrend, so let's not forget that. But right now, we definitely have to see how strong the bottom is down here.